Hello students, how are you? Hope everyone is fine out there. Welcome back. Today we are going to start a third topic that is from English grammar, vowels and consonants. Here we go. There are 5 letter vowels in English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O, U. Repeat with me. A, E, I, O, U. What is this? A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels in English alphabet. Okay students, are the 5 alphabets in vowels. The other 21 letters of the alphabets are called consonants. What? The other 21 letters of the alphabets are called consonants. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Students, you have to just keep simple thing in your mind. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. There are 26 alphabets, right? 26 letters. Out of 26, 5 letters are vowels. That is A, E, I, O, U. And the other 21 letters, they are consonants. It's very easy. आपको सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ आपके दिमाग में फिट कर देनी है, आपके माइंड में, राइट? व्हाट आर दी वोवेल्स? जो वर्ड है, हमारी लेटर्स हैं, तो वो सिर्फ ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू, ये सिर्फ 5 लेटर्स है जो वोवेल्स हैं. और बाकी के जितने भी 21 लेटर्स हैं ना, उनको हम कंसोनेंट्स बोलेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, रिपीट मी विथ मी. व्हाट, हाउ मैनी वोवेल्स आर देयर? A, E, I, O, U. Only 5 vowels are there, and the other 21 letters are consonants. Very good. So, moving to the exercise A. Write vowels in the boxes to make a different words. What? Write vowels. Vowels means A, E, I, O, U. Already आपको यहाँ पर सब पिक्चर्स तो दी गई हैं, और एज़ यूजुअल आपको सारे स्पेलिंग्स तो रहेंगे, एंड प्लस आपको ये रिविजन हो रहा है बिकॉज यू हैव स्टडीड दिस इन फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड. ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट वन. व्हाट इज दिस? फ्रॉम द पिक्चर ओनली you can assume. What is this? Leg. What is the spelling of a leg? L-E-G. Again E. E is a vowel word. Okay, see, look here. E is a vowel word. Moving to the second. What is this? Pen. What is the pen spelling? P-E-N, pen. Again, E is a vowel word. Moving to the third one. What is the spelling of hat? What is this? Hat. What is the spelling of hat? H-A-T, hat. Yes. So again, A is a vowel word. What is the fourth one? It's a India map. Okay. So map. What is the spelling of a map? M-A-P, map. Yes. Again, A is a vowel word. What is the fifth one? Cup. C-U-P, cup. So here will come U, and again U is a vowel word. 6. Bun. B-U-N, bun. So what is the spelling of a bun? B-U-N, bun. Again U is a vowel word. Okay student. So moving to the another one. What is this? This is log. What is the log spelling? L-O-G, log. Again O is a vowel word. What is the another one? Pan. What is the spelling of a pan? P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. Again A is a vowel word. What is the another one? Hut. What is this? Hut. What is the spelling of an hut? H-U-T, hut. Again U is a vowel word. Very good. What is the next one? Next one is mop. What is this? Mop. What is the mop spelling? M-O-P, mop. Again O is a vowel word. Very good. What is the another one? Cap. What is the another one? Cap. What is the cap spelling? C-A-P, cap. Again A is a, yes, vowel word. What is the last one here? Bin. It's a dustbin. What is the bin spelling? B-I-N. bin. Again, A is a vowel word. So, my dear student, you have understood very well. What is the vowel word? A, E, I, O, U. So, moving to the next page, we will going to start exercise B. Write correct consonants in the blanks and complete the word. What we have done in exercise A? We have to write the vowel word. And now what we have to do? We have to write the consonant words. So let's start. What is the first one? Picture is also given, right, students? And the word is also given. So what you will write here? Only consonant words. Okay. O and A. O and A is already given. So O is a vowel word and A is also a vowel word. So it's very easy to write a consonant words. Okay. So what is the spelling of a goat? G-O-A-T. Goat. Both G and T is consonant letters. Moving to the second one, X-ray. Okay, and again here A is given. So A is an vowel word. What we have to write? Consonants. हमको क्या लिखना है? Consonant. Vowel words तो यहाँ पर दिया हुआ ही है. जैसे हमने फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में किए थे, उसमें हमको क्या दिया हुआ था? Consonant words. और हमको क्या लिखना था? Vowel words. Same यहाँ पर vowel words they have given. We have to write consonants and the spelling is here too. What is the spelling of an X-ray? X. X is a consonant letter, right? Again R is a consonant letter and Y is a consonant letter. Very good. Moving to the third one. What is this? Pedal. What is this? Pedal. So what is this puddle means? A small pool of water usually on path और roads. हमको दिखता है ना small pool of water रहता है जैसे खड्डा जैसे रहता है उसमें waters रहते हैं that. Okay. So here U is an vowel word and E is an vowel word, right? Vowel letters are there. So we have to write consonants letters. This is what is the spelling of a puddle? P-U-D-D-L-E. Moving to the fourth one. What is this? Watch. Again they have written a vowel word. We have to write consonants. So W is a consonant letter. T-C-H. Watch. Yes. Moving to the fifth one. What is this? Rabbit. What is the rabbit spelling? R. R is a consonant letter, so that's why we have to write. A is a vowel letter. Then B, again consonant letter, again B, consonant letter, and I, yes, I is a vowel letter, and T is a consonant letter. We have to write here only consonants letter. Moving to the sixth one. What is this? Shoe. Already O and E, that is vowel letters, are given. So automatically you can find it very easy. You can write S. S is a consonant letter and H is a consonant letter. Hope you all understood very well. So from this we'll move to the exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with different consonants to make the rhyming words. Read them loud. So easy. The fill in the blanks is given. 2-letter words are given. We have to write the rhyming words. We have to make the words. Okay, students? We have to what? We have to make the words. Already first one is given. MAP map, TAP tap and CAP cap. AP is given. Okay, what is this AP? They have given to fill it. Okay, so what we have to fill it already. If we put M consonant letter, it will be MAP map, then T consonant letter, TAP tap and C. Students, just keep in this mind, we have to use only consonant letters in the blank one. So moving to the second one. What is this here? Dash AR. Dash AR, we have to use only consonant letters. Yes, it's very easy. We can use here C because C letter is a consonant letter. Then again car. What's the car rhyming? Yes, it can be far. So again we will write here F. Again F is a consonant letter. Then we have to make the third one. Var. Okay, car, far, var. W-A-R means again W is a consonant letter. What is the third one? IG. Dash IG. So what it will be? Fig. Yes, fig. F-I-G, fig. Again F is a consonant letter. Then dash IG, big. Yes, B can be right here. Big means bada. So B-I-G, big. Again B is a consonant letter. Then dig. D-I-G, dig. Again D is a consonant letter. Moving to the fourth one. What it will be? Bell. B-E-L-L, bell. Then well, W-E-L-L, well. Then cell, C-E-L-L, cell. Now what we have made this rhyming words, it's all about consonant letters. Moving to the fifth one. I-G-H-T. It can be 8 also. E-I-G-H-T, 8 spelling. But E is a, yes, vowel word. So we can't use it, right? So we can use it, yes, L-I-G-H-T, light. Yes, L is a consonant letter. Then F-I-G-H-T, fight. Yes, F-I-G-H-T, fight. Then T-I-G-H-T, tight. Yes, all these letters are consonant letters. Moving to the sixth one. O-U-N-D. So S-O-U-N-D, sound. So S is a consonant letter. Then B, bound. B-O-U-N-D, bound. Again B is a consonant letter. Then P-O-U-N-D, pound. Again P is a consonant letter. Moving to the seventh one. Dash R-A-I-N. So what will fill here? We will fill here D. D is a consonant letter. Drain. D-R-A-I-N, drain. Then B-R-A-I-N, brain. Yes, again B is a consonant letter. Then T. T-R-A-I-N, train. See students, it's very easy. You all can do it perfectly. Just keep in the mind, only A, E, I, O, U words are vowels. Other letters are consonants. Only 5 letters are vowel and the other letters remaining are consonant. So you have to write this exercise in your English grammar book. And this too, exercise B and C in your English grammar book. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe.